it's Tina from Soper Yarn. I'm just going to do a little quick video just to touch base with you for July. So July 1st and 2nd we are closed, and going to enjoy some family time. And so that sets us up for the first bit of July. Let's finish up June first. For June, our knit along for June was to pick a design by Yosoda Teague and knit that. So I pictured these lovely mitts called Joy, and I did do them, but of course I don't always do things the way they say. So this, instead of doing the nice pride colors, I just did a plain hand-dyed yarn by Canadian. It's called Lichen and Rustic Heather Sport, and it was nice to work with. It's very woolly, so these will be nice and warm come winter time. And she had a great little clever way of doing her thumb, so I really liked it. I should have done the pride colors. It was Pride Month, I should have done that, but this was just way easier, and I simplified the design just a little bit so that they could be done quickly. And I did make two. I'm famous for making one-offs, but I did make a pair of mitts. So this will go into the Christmas gift box, and somebody will enjoy those. So that is July knit along. So June knit along. So July knit along. We're going to pick a Canadian designer. So I've decided to do designs by Heidi Kiermaier. She's Canadian. She does great patterns. There are some that are just terrific, and we've done a few of them. Apparently, the 90 out of 92 that she has listed here, 15 are in my favorites. So I've done a few of hers. I've done a couple of hers, but she has some nice, clever things. So there's a love scarf. There's this deep end. We've done this deep end shawl. It's not big, but it's a very clever design, and you could use almost any weight of yarn if you wanted to blow up the pattern. But I loved making that. It was really fun. Sometimes I just do something just because I can, and I want to do something clever. We worry about what the finished project, where it will go eventually. I got what I wanted out of the yarn. And so there's some nice designs, and sometimes it's just something small. So there's a little circle if you've never worked in the round, and make yourself a little coaster. But I am going to do, for her newest pattern is called Twofer. So it's very clever in that there's a v-neck and a boat neck, and it's reversible, so you can wear it both ways, and it's top down. There's a bit of provisional stuff going on, and it's just I think she's just very clever. So that is going to be my project for July. So Heidi Kiermaier, and I think that will be great. I did finish a couple of other things for June. I did take these two yarns by Neuro and make them into two scarves. So there's a crochet scarf and a knit scarf, and you just you break the ball up, and you do so many rows of one color and so many rows of another, and you have to keep swapping it back and forth. And there's enough to make a second scarf knit. So there wouldn't be enough if you were doing two crocheted ones, but there certainly would be enough if you did two knit ones. And I just have to weave in the ends, and then that's done. So that's us for July, the July knit along. Heidi Kiermaier, look through her patterns. They're really cute. And we'll talk to you very soon. This is going to be, July is always quiet here in the shop, so there's always things to do, and we will post about new things when we can. Have a great month, and we'll talk to you very soon. Bye for now.